Before St. Cuthbert walked the silent shores of Innerfarne, another man's faith had already lit the land of Northumbria. Saint Aidan of Lindisfarne, teacher, missionary, and shepherd of souls, was the one who laid the path that Cuthbert would one day follow. On the windswept shores of Lindisfarne, on an island rising from the North Sea, there came a man whose heart burned not for power nor for glory, but for souls. A man whose kindness drew kings and commoners alike, whose prayers lifted the hearts of the weary, and whose gentle footsteps lit the way for a nation. This is the story of Saint Aidan. From Ireland to Northumbria. Born around 590 AD in Ireland, Aidan was a man of quiet faith and relentless devotion. He grew up in a monastery, learning the scriptures, prayer, and the ways of a humble servant of God. In 635 AD, King Oswald of Northumbria, longing to restore the Christian faith to his kingdom, sent for missionaries from the Irish monasteries. Aidan answered the call. With a small group of monks, he crossed the sea to Lindisfarne, bringing not only the word of God, but a living example of charity, humility, and patience. The teacher of kings and shepherds. Aidan believed that faith could not be forced, it had to be lived. He walked among his flock, teaching by example, not command. King Oswald became his student as much as his ally. Aidan taught him prayer, humility, and the importance of caring for the poor. He walked from village to village, from farm to forest, preaching the gospel in the language of the people. No one was too high, no one too low. Every soul mattered. A mission of mercy. The land was harsh. Northumbria's people were scattered, the sea fierce, the winters cruel. Yet Aidan never tired. He tended the sick, comforted the poor, and spoke words of hope in the face of despair. He built schools, monasteries, and chapels, not for power, but to nurture hearts and minds. And when the storms came, he faced them with faith stronger than the waves themselves. A light in the darkness. Aidan's greatest gift was his gentle flame, the quiet, unwavering presence of God's love. He never sought fame. He never demanded recognition. Yet his influence spread across kingdoms, shaping Northumbria into a land renewed by faith. The monastery at Lindisfarne became a beacon of learning, prayer, and charity. And those who followed him, kings, monks, and villagers alike, carried that light long after he was gone. Legacy of humility. Aidan passed away in 651 AD, yet his spirit lived on. His gentle teaching, unwavering faith, and humble service became the blueprint for generations of missionaries. He reminded the world that holiness is not measured by power, but by love, not by grandeur, but by the care given to the smallest, weakest, and most forgotten. Saint Aidan did not conquer lands. He did not seek fame, yet the flame he carried still lights hearts today. In a world filled with noise, distraction, and pride, his life reminds us, true power lies in gentleness, true greatness lies in service, and even the smallest acts of love can ignite a light that never fades.